So children, take out page number 82. Here, left side, you can see a column is given, a table is given. Complete the table. So here what we have to do, we have to write down transport route is given, means of transport is given, and what is the use of the particular transport route. Understood? So one example is given, that is roadways, rickshaw, it is meant for passenger. So likewise, roadways, truck, means of transport is truck. What the truck is used for? Truck is used for to carry goods. Understood? So likewise, you have to do complete this table. Railway, transport route is railway, means of transport is metro, and what is the use of railways? That is commuters, that means for passengers to travel from one place to another place. Waterways, means of transport, that is ferry, passenger, small vehicles. So waterways, that means ships are used, so you know this. Airways, helicopter, that is used for search and rescue operation and for defense use also. Airways, again aeroplane for passengers and goods. Waterways, submarine, military use. Waterways, cargo ships, freight, that means to carry heavy goods. Mountain mules, mules means female donkeys. Mountain routes, mules are used for transportation in mountain region, and that is used for transport of goods. Understood? Now railway, trains, passengers, pipeline, pipes, oil, water, gas, etc. So these are the means of transport routes, and what are the uses of all this routes and means of transports. Understood? Now we will see one activity which is given. I just want to discuss with you so that you will have clear idea. Now see left side, we have given some specific condition. In this contest, tell with reason which means of transport and route will you take. So this activity is given that we have to do that, how we are supposed to complete this, do this. Suppose one condition is given, you have to reach Bhopal from Nagpur due to some emergency. So how you are going to reach Bhopal? So you can take roadways, airways. If it is emergency, so we are supposed to take airways. Understood? So in such condition, we will choose airways as a route and aeroplane as a means of transport. Understood? Because it is an emergency condition. So likewise, other example, you have to reach Kanyakumari carrying message of cleanliness. There is no time limit for it. So in such condition, we will choose roadways as a route, bus, private vehicle as a means of transport. Reason is, by using roadways, the message of cleanliness can be spread even up to remote areas. Understood? Because there is no time limit. Next is, send the Alfonso mangoes from Konkan to Arab countries. In such condition, we will choose airways as a route and aeroplane as a means of transport. Reason, Alfonso mango is a perishable agriculture product. Therefore, it became essential to transport Alfonso mangoes with high speed. Otherwise, it will be in bad condition. It will get rotten. Understood? So likewise, next, Indrayani variety of rice has to be exported from Pune to Cape Town of South Africa at low cost. So in such condition, we will choose waterways as a route and ship as a means of transport. Reason is, rice is comparatively durable agriculture good. It is not perishable. We can store year after years. In such given situation, it has to be transported at low cost. Understood? So waterway through ships. Next is, large scale production of vegetables in Nandurbar has taken place, but it is not fetching a good price. The Nagpur-Surat National Highway and Surat-Bhusawal railway line passes through the district. Now in the given situation, we will choose roadways and railways as a route, truck and goods way, train respectively as a means of transport. The reason is, the highway and the railway that passes through district connect the important towns and cities from the district. Understood? Now the last is, you have to go to Singapore from your village town. You have 10 days to do the same. In the given situation, we will choose airways as a route and aeroplane as a means of transport. The reason is, in the given situation, limited time, only 10 days are there. So we have to be very fast. So you can choose airways. So this type of condition is there. See children, already I told you that transport, means of communication, transport, roadways, airways, they are the lifeline of any country. If any country want to develop, so it has to be very particular in the development of roadways, airways and other means of transportation. Now next, see geographical explanation. It is given. You must have realized that while traveling or transporting goods, we have to consider many things. If there are many ways of means of transport available, then we can think about those alternatives. There are roadways, railways, waterways, airways and pipelines by which transportation can be done. So here we can say what are the means of transportation. The various means of transportation are roadways, railways, waterways and pipeline. So you must be very surprised at what is the use of this pipeline. So you know already, it is given that pipelines are used to send petrol from one place to another place. Understood? So pipelines are there in our country, from Gujarat, through Gujarat, pipelines are used to send petrol and mineral oil, natural gas to other parts of our country. Understood? Now one concept map is given. So the concept map is factors to be considered for the transportation. What are the factors should be kept in mind while selecting the routes and means of transportation? That means if we want to, for example, if we want to go to a particular place, then we are supposed to think about that what means of transportation we are supposed to take to reach that particular place. Understood? So this is concept map. This is very important from examination point of view. So you are supposed to draw this class copy. Now see, first factor is distance. Now children, distance is very important because we have to see that whether the place where we have to reach is near or very far away. So accordingly we have to take the means of transport. Next is physiography. We have to see physiography. What are the type of that particular place, whether it is mountainous, mountain terrain, or whether it is desert area, whether it is plain area, whether it is island or hilly area. So this type of physiography we have to look that what type of transport we are supposed to take. Routes and means, then what different routes are there, how we are supposed to reach that particular place. Market, what is the condition of the market of the particular place. Some places they are not having good market, so anything which is needed, which is necessary in case we have to purchase from the market, though we have to see that whether that particular place is having a good market or not. Understood? So if any businessman want to do any type of business, he have to see that particular place is having good market for business. Climate, we have naturally climate, because some place transportation routes, or it is very difficult to establish we can say transportation system in that particular place due to bad climate condition or not good climate condition. So accordingly transportation system has to be developed. Products, which type of products is to be transport to particular place. So this type of factors which have to kept in mind. Time also, how much time it has to be taken, cost also, duration also. So all these factors are kept in mind while selecting the routes and means of transport. Understood?